day 6 of playing with dough, I thought we'd mix it up and do something a little bit different. So we're going to do some small world play using Play-Doh. So the first thing that I've got is an old baking tray, and I'm going to line that with this like grass scenery that I've got. But you could literally just put a coloured piece of paper in here or just leave it as a tray. And we're going to go for a dinosaur theme. So I've got this lovely rock that I'm going to put in. And then I'm going to use the yellow Play-Doh that we made on day 1 and some green Play-Doh. So I'm literally just going to break them into some smaller bits and pop them straight into the tray. And then I've got some little trees, which I'm going to pop in. So I'm just going to lay them flat because I want to encourage the children to make up their own scenery. So I'm going to take just that in first. And once she's set up the scenery and she's happy, then I'm going to take in some different sized dinosaurs.
I'm finished. I'm ready for my dinosaurs.
I'll put links to everything we've used in today's video into our description box.